beautiful state of Alaska. Boy, do you guys get some definite huge tides there. Now I know there's some whale puppies over here to our right, but the best spot is at our 12 o'clock. Straight towards Kaho'olawe. You can see underneath the clouds there a little bit of calm water. We're going to descend out of 2,500 feet, and we're going to head straight over to Ka'anapali and then across the Ma'alaya Bay. And then we're going to get out and start doing turns away from that glare, Mom, because that's gnarly on the eyes. Plus, you can't see really down into the water. Over to the left, you can see it's much better visibility. So we then turns quite a bit for both sides towards the whales. If you do get nauseous, just say something. It's that easy. Now, all the way to the north shore of the Pineapple Isle to the right, you could easily see a breach right now. So breaches are the best, obviously, but whale puppies are even better. Now, I've been out here, Jerry, where I've seen 3 breaches off the right side, and everybody's gawking at the right side, and then all of a sudden 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row on the left. Typically, that is happening around late January into February. Peak season, all February long. Super Bowl Sunday, every single day, for the Northern Pacific humpback whales. Now in Hawaiian, that's known as the Kohola. Kohola. It's amazing. It's a massive story here. The concentration inside Maui Nui of these 4 islands is the highest in all of Hawaii. Start a descent, losing about 1,000 feet as we descend towards the Au'au Channel, which is in between Maui and Lanai to our right. You can see kind of the wind line just off this side of Lahaina. That's called Baby Beach, right at the Malabor. That's where it's going to calm down. Popping those ears. Mays Beach right in front. If you walk along the boardwalk, past the western properties up to the Hanua Kai, you got Duke's restaurant there. Now, the only reason I'm telling you is because gratuity is included with these drinks. It's better than the western properties. It's like $2 or $3 off a drink at Duke's Hanua Kai. That's the green room. I know it's kind of a walk, but it's worth it. Anybody there right now at the condos? You don't know? Everybody's gone. I thought you said it was like a group of about 29 of you.
10.
10, yeah, same thing. Are they there right now?
4 in the other helicopter and 2 on the ground.
Oh, they don't want to fly?
They've done it 5 times.
Let's do something to make them miss it. Yeah, well, we already did.
Be safe.
We already did. Always safe. Always. Have you guys been to the Sheraton? Do the experience there at Black Rock for the evening?
I think we stayed there 20 years ago.
I don't know, it might be worth going back. It's nice to snorkel there, because snorkeling right on front is kind of shit right now. I mean, crappy. So right in the cove there, you know, just the other day I had mom and a baby and an escort about 100 yards, just this side of the wind line, right off of the point there. You got some action over there, Jerry?
Yeah.
I gotta tell you, Jeffrey, you are within walking distance of the Monkey Pond restaurant. It's right in Whalers Village. You can hit all the other ones, Hula Grill and Leilani's, but I'm telling you, Monkey Pond, do it. It's the best. Sometimes I play this intense music, Joy and Gale, because the capital of the Hawaiian Kingdom is in front of us. This is a really intense story. The Kamehamehas were here. It was capital from 1820 to 1845, and they moved over to Honolulu, obviously a much better port. You had 450 ships off here, and it wasn't much of a port, just a nice little cove, bay, and you'd still be affected by the hurricanes. That's when they started building up Pearl Harbor. Straight down below us, whale puppy. You can see the white of its pectorals right now, right there. Coming around, Joy. Just above our shadow. So long. I heard it 57 times now. Times 3,000.
It's perfect timing.
It was good. Now, Baby Beach, Abimas now. That's a perfect area to snorkel. Watch it though, it's shallow in there. The waves are protected by the outer reef, so you're good on the inside. And let's keep going. That boat has whales right on it, on the left side. As we get by here, you can see, well, there's some boats off in the distance there. One's waiting for a group to come up from the Atlantis submarine. The other one's going on here in a bit. Yeah, look at this whale puppy right off the shore of that boat. I'm going to bank it to the left here pretty soon. We're going right through the demarcation line now, so of course it's right on the line, Jerry, so it's going to give us kind of a bump. Let me get all the way around it for, oh, straight down below us. Right there, Cassandra. Straight down. Whale puppy on the left side of Mama, just cuddling, and little cuddles right offshore line of town. Just to the left of the boat, we flew over, so I'm going to wrap all